Stop whatever you're doing and listen. 5 minutes of your time is all I'm asking for. Listen. Enough. Enough blaming, enough crying, enough whining, enough of all of that. Alright? Whatever happens to you, just pay attention for the next 5 minutes, alright? You are in control of your life. Not your dad, not your mom, not your siblings, not your friends, not your boyfriend, not your girlfriend, whoever it is, whoever they are, you are in control of your life. Get that into your head for the first time, alright? You may have heard this a lot of times. I don't care. You control your life. You control what happens to you. You control your happiness. You control every single emotion in your life. You can't blame no one. You can't blame no one, my brother. You can't. You can't say that guy came and told something to me. My whole day went off. My mood got spoiled. Bullshit. Doesn't work, my brother. You are in control of your life, alright? You may have heard this a lot of times, but if your life is a ship, you are the captain. History, society, our textbooks, gods, mythology, religion, your parents, grandparents, all of these people have told our generation a very big lie. They told us there's something that's called fate. There's something that's called destiny or story, and that someone else, a superior entity, is in control of your life. There is no God who controls your life, bro. It's you. Alright? You may be a cis, I don't know, whoever's watching this video. I'm just saying bro in the general term, okay? Understand, you control your life. There is no such thing as fate. That is the biggest lie history has told us. It is the biggest lie history has told us. This comes in the book The Alchemist. You want it, I'll give it to you. Read it. There is no such thing called fate. There is work, there is graft, and there is ultimate passion involved behind getting where you want to be. Okay? You have to put in the hours. You have to dig in the trenches. You have to understand your craft. You have to reach, discover, work, sacrifice, put in the sweat, blood, all the hours needed to get where you want to be. Nobody owes you shit. Alright? Don't fall into the enlightenment trap. Sorry, entitlement trap. Not enlightenment. Entitlement. Gary Vee says this. No one owes you bullshit. Okay, the world is a cruel place. If you go out there and you think people are going to be nice to you because, I don't know, they owe being good to you, or you deserve to be treated well, bullshit, bro. You need to put in the work for yourself. You need to work for yourself. You need to go out there, make a name for yourself. Life is too short. I've understood that life is very short. Today goes like this. 2019 is already gone, bro. Only 3 more months or 2 more months. Done. What are you doing with your life? Step outside. Work. Put in the graft, put in the hours, discover, try a lot of different things. We're all going to die very soon. We're all going to die very, very soon. I don't care who you are. I don't know where you're watching this video, but I had to make this one. I had to let everyone know life is too short. We're all going to die. You might as well spend the rest of your life doing what you love. Alright? Stop complaining. Stop blaming others. Stop thinking that there's something called fate. You control your life. Your life is in your hands. No one else's. What happens to you, how your day progresses, how many goals you achieve, whatever progress you make, it is all based on you. Stop looking for a partner, or stop looking for someone to help you through the rough patches in life. You are the one who's in control of your life, and therefore you have to help yourself. Pick yourself up. I don't care in what bad situation you are right now. You may be in the lowest of your points in life. If this video reaches you, keep watching it every single day in the morning, bro. Every single day in the morning. Okay? Because trust me, if you're in a bad position, I have probably been there myself. Put in the work. Put in the graft. Work hard. Work smart. Read. Educate. And go after what you love. Stop waiting for life to treat you well. Not gonna work. Alright? No one owes you shit. Now go out there. Make shit happen, and you'll be hearing from me very, very soon. If you have a problem, talk to me. I'll help you through it. Whatever it is, talk to me, and I'll help you through it. I'm here, okay? I don't know how many people are going to watch this video. I don't frankly care how many people watch this video, because this is what I was meant to do, and that's what I'm doing. I'm helping, okay? So go out there, put in the work, and understand your life is in your hands. I'll see you very soon. Sabri Raghavan, signing off.